Wow! Brand new home in Cypress village of Sugarmill Woods. Welcome to the stunning Sienna Model, with over 3,000 square feet of living, built by Maronda. This 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 3-car garage home thoughtfully designed open concept floor plan is both functional and elegant. With high tray ceilings, framed by crown molding throughout the entertaining areas and master suite, a kitchen that boasts a larger-than-life 15-feet island, granite countertops, soft close cabinetry, Samsung stainless steel appliances including double ovens, making it ideal for holiday get-togethers with family and friends. This home comes complete with a master suite, mother-in-law, guest suite with separate living and bedroom space, 1 additional bedroom and an enclosed flex space with glass French doors, allowing you room for a dedicated office or den. You'll find upgraded plank laminate flooring, carpeted bedrooms, a generously sized laundry room with additional cabinetry, irrigation system, LED recessed lighting, high, low AP outlets, glass shower enclosures, pre-wired design for fan installation, pendant lighting over the island. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle all year long from the lanai off the great room with approximately 274 feet of greenbelt that borders your new backyard. Choose the option to include a customized 12 by 24 in-ground pool for an additional cost that can be financed into sale of the home. Builder warranty included. Low annual HOA fee and many community amenities available. You're minutes away from shops, stores, restaurants and the Suncoast Parkway. 60 miles to Tampa International Airport. Plus you'll be within 15 minutes of the spectacular Seven Sisters Springs, Homosassa River and State Wildlife Park, as well as the Gulf. Additional info on pool specs and special financing program can be provided. Call today,